Coming up tonight on Cooking with Adam, we'll be making chicken pineapple quesadillas with Pico de Gallo and Southwestern spices. Stay tuned. Hey guys, so just a quick note, if you guys need the recipe guide, no problem. Click in the link. It shoots over to the website. It's right there. You can follow step by step. If you guys want to try HelloFresh, there's a special offer just for you guys. The link is in the description below as well. Finally, if you need any cooking utensil supplies that I use for this meal and many other meals, that link is in the description as well. With that said, let's get guys. Here are the ingredients we are working with tonight. We have 1 red onion. We have some pineapple. See if it tells you how much it is in here. 4 ounces. 4 ounces of pineapple. We have, what else? We have green pepper. We have 6 ounces of chicken breast. We have 1 Roma tomato. We have 1 lime. We have 1/4 ounce of cilantro. We have 2 flour tortillas. You have 1 cup of mozzarella. We have 2 tablespoons of sour cream. And last but certainly not least, we have 1 tablespoon of Southwest spice blend. There we go. This includes garlic, cumin, and chili powder. Alright guys, we're going to need a few things to make tonight's meal. First up, medium-sized pan. We need a baking sheet. We need a bowl, small medium size, give or take. We need about 5 containers to slice and dice things. We'll need salt and pepper, preferably sea salt. We'll need a strainer, aluminum foil, your favorite knife, and some olive oil. I'm going to rinse the produce and I'll be right back. Here are the marching orders for tonight's meal on the produce section. We're going to chop the cilantro. We're going to de-seed or remove the ribs and then thinly slice the pepper. We're going to slice and dice the Roma tomato into chunks. We're going to half the lime. We're going to thinly slice the onion and then also mince about 2 tablespoons of it as well. We're going to drain the pineapple and rinse on the water. Easy peasy. Now we're going to cut the chicken into cubes. You may also want to set your oven for either 500 or broil, because we're going to do that pretty soon as well. But first up, we got to take care of the chicken. I'll cut this up into pieces. Now it says you can use. What it tells you? It says cut. Let me do that. We're now going to cut the chicken into cubes. It says use half and then use the rest as you wish. I just make them all in cubes. And deal with it then. So very simply, you're just going to cut through and make them to cubes. Alright, so now we are going to cook the veggies. Add a little bit of olive oil. Get nice and saturated. Put the cooking light on. That should probably help. There you go. And spin that and spread it all around. Add the onions. Not the diced, just the sliced. And the peppers. And we're going to cook for about 5 minutes. We're about halfway done here. And then we're going to add a little salt and pepper. And then the pineapples for a few minutes. Now I add a pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper. Mix that together. Now we're going to add the pineapples for about 3 minutes. Alright, so now we're done with this part of the meal. Again, a splash of salt, splash of pepper, mix, and now we're going to move it off to a plate to chill out for a bit while we cook the chicken. So you see I have the plate right there. Director, I am not. And just pour this in. And now make the chicken. Right, so now we're going to heat the pan up a little bit more with some oil. Because it's pretty hot already, it shouldn't take that long. We're going to have a medium to high flame, nothing crazy. Spread the oil around, give it some love. Add chicken. We're going to cook for about 3 minutes. And we're going to add the spice as well. But first let's get the chicken all nice and happy. There we go. Put some spice back. Okay. I'm going to spread this up and over to the chicken. Yum. Put that together. Again, we're going to cook till there's no more pink in the center. It says about 3 to 4 minutes. So we'll check. Oops, that's a piece there. I'll take it step by step. So now we're going to add another pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper. We're going to combine, well, not combine, but just add the veggies to the chicken. Cut the heat. Mix. So it's nice and combined. Nice mix. A little of extra chicken because we cut everything. It's fine. Chicken's good too. Now we're going to add half the cilantro because we have to save the other half for the Pico de Gallo. Squeeze of lime. There we go. Mix that together. Now we're going to make the quesadillas. Let's make the tortillas. First up, we're going to take the aluminum foil, Lay that down. Take one of the quesadillas. Put a little oil in there. Actually, you need to do it for both of them, so. You have a brush. It's come in handy pretty well. Just like you're painting. Move that aside to the other one. Takes the mozzarella. Lay it down. Like you're making pizza. Comes out of the bag. Take some of your filling. It says you're gonna have some left over right now because we're using all the chicken, but this means it'll be hearty. And they want you to fold it over. I've had more success doing it this way. So you can follow either mine or theirs. I particularly like my way better, it's easier. You have to work against gravity. Alright, so good filling. My way is you open up the other one. Sprinkle on top. And just cover it. Push down the sides, and it's going to go into the oven for 1 to 2 minutes. Then you're going to flip it over. When you have it on here, it's pretty easy. Just take this over and flip it. You'll see. While the quesadilla cooks, broils, we're going to make the Pico de Gallo. So you're going to add the tomatoes, half the cilantro or whatever's left, the onion, and some lime. I'm going to also add a drizzle of oil. Not much, just a little. Mix that together. It's a nice little enhanced taste in my opinion. There you go. Easy peasy. This is after 2 minutes, believe it or not. So you take a plate, put it on the bottom, flip. And carefully take it off. Voila. Easy peasy. That to the side, and we're going to repeat what we just did. Slides right back on. Goes right back in for 2 minutes. Here's the final product. We're going to use a pizza cutter to cut up the quesadilla. There you go. 2. So 1 for you, 1 for your guest, wife, kid, girlfriend, boyfriend. That's how it looks. Very tasty. Alright, and then you just try it again. Want to cut it again? I guess it might come out a little bit. So here we go. This 1, 2. 3 and 4. So you got 4 pieces per person. With your Pico de Gallo here, your little mix. Put that in the center over here. And if you want sour cream, you put sour cream over there. I do not. So we're going to skip for that for right now on this particular dish. And the other dish, she wants. Alright, well, here you go. Stay tuned for reviews. Really good meal. Tasty, delicious, filling. What else is there to say? This is a good meal. I think anyone who likes quesadillas will love this meal. No complaints whatsoever. If you guys have made this meal, comment below, let me know. Any questions, comments, concerns, refunds, as always, comment below. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And also, if you liked the video, smash that like button. Till next time, keep cooking.